Dear students, the topic of my today's lecture is different types of rings and travelers in case of ring frame. In most cases, the limit to productivity of ring spinning machine is defined by the traveler in interdependence with the ring and the yarn. The optimal running conditions depend upon materials of the rings and travelers, surface characteristics, the form of both elements, wear resistance, smoothness of running, running in conditions, and fiber lubrication. Now, classification of rings. There are two types of rings. First one is single sided, second one is double sided. Second classification is first one is lubricated rings, which is used in case of woolen and worsted industry, and second one is unlubricated rings, which are used in short staple spinning system. Unlubricated rings can be subdivided into single sided and double sided rings. As shown in this diagram, this one is single sided, which can be replaced with new ones after use, and this one is double sided ring, which can be reversed after the use. The double side can be turned around after use for use on second side. For rings used in short staple spinning mill, two dimensions are of prime importance. First one is internal diameter and second one is flange width. Internal diameters commonly used are 36, 38, 40, 42 up to 54 mm, and flange width is 3.2, 3.7 and 4.1 mm with flange number 1, 1.5 and 2. These are two important dimensions of ring. This one is flange width and this one is internal diameter. Now different types of rings are, the first one is anti-wedge ring. This was the first high performance ring. It exhibits an enlarged flange inner side as shown in this diagram and is markedly flattened on the upper surface. This change in form permits use of traveler with a lower center of gravity and precisely adapted elliptical travelers, which in turn allowed operation at high speeds. Anti-wedge rings and elliptical travelers belong together and can be used only in combination. Second type of ring is anti-wedge low crown ring. In low crown ring, the curvature of upper surface has been somewhat flattened as shown in this diagram compared with ring used up to that time. This gives more space for the passage of the yarn so that the curvature of travelers can also be reduced. We can take oval or flat travelers and the center of gravity is lowered. In comparison with the anti-wedge ring, the low crown ring has the advantages that the space provided for the passage of yarn is somewhat larger and that all current traveler shapes can be applied. The low crown ring is today and most widely used ring form and is offered by well-known firms such as Rieter, etc. These are other types of rings: T-flange, orbit ring and SU ring. In SU ring, SU stands for Soviet Union. This ring is a form of Russian development. It has two advantages, namely a large surface of contact for the traveler on the inner flange and a degree of compensation of forces acting on the traveler. The tensile force extended in the upward direction by the yarn is counteracted by the second force, which arises because the traveler is urged downwards onto the conical inner flange to respond the high centrifugal force. SU rings with corresponding travelers permit higher traveler speeds, especially with synthetic fibers, and give a slightly reduction in traveler wear. Now the material of the ring should always be tough and hard on its exterior. The running surface in particular deserves the closest attention. The surface layer must have high and even hardness in the range of 800 to 850 Vickers, whereas of traveler it should be 650 to 700 Vickers. The traveler hardness should be slightly lower as it is cheaper and easier to replace. Surface smoothness is also important. It should be high but not too high, since otherwise a lubricating film cannot be built up on it. Material used for rings are induction hardened steel, nitride steel, carbonitride steels, and chrome steels. A good ring should have the following features: a best quality raw material, a good but not too high surface smoothness, an even surface, exact roundness, good even surface hardness higher than that of travelers. It should have run in as well as possible, long operating lifetime, correct relationship between ring and bobbin tube diameters, horizontal disposition, and it should be exactly centered relative to the spindles. This is all about different types of rings. Thank you.